guys, welcome to my vlog. So today we are going to get my nails done, so I'll be taking you guys along, and I'm getting something very Christmassy done, but not something similar to what I did my last time. Last time I did a lot of like a candy nail, then there was something like glitter, and then we had a snowflake and things. So let's try something else, but maybe something with a little red in it because it's like Christmas season. So yes, stay tuned, come along with me.